Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to block someone on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to block a contact on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and over here guys you can see the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen on the chat section. Tap on that, and over here all of the contacts will be over here. Now in order to block somebody on WhatsApp, first go to their contact, and over here at the top of the screen you can see their name. After opening the chat box like this, tap on that, tap on their name, and from over here scroll down until you can see the block option available, which is the second last. Tap on that block, and again tap on block. And with that being done guys, that person will be blocked on WhatsApp. And there guys, this is how to block or contact or block someone on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.